I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook vegetarian lasagna. First, gather your fresh ingredients, focusing on vibrant vegetables like zucchini, spinach, and bell peppers. Next, prepare a flavorful tomato sauce, simmering it gently with your favorite herbs and spices. For ease, opt for no-boil lasagna noodles. Finally, select a delicious combination of cheeses, such as creamy ricotta, shredded mozzarella, and grated parmesan, to create a truly satisfying dish. Now let's craft the heart of our lasagna, the filling. Begin by sautéing 1 medium onion and 2 cloves of garlic until they are wonderfully fragrant. Then, add your chopped vegetables, like 1 cup of zucchini and 1 cup of bell peppers, cooking them until they are tender crisp. Stir in about 5 ounces of fresh spinach until it wilts down. Finally, combine these flavorful vegetables with 15 ounces of ricotta cheese, 1 egg, and a pinch of salt and pepper for a rich, creamy mixture. Assembling your lasagna is where the magic happens. Start by spreading about 1/2 cup of your delicious tomato sauce evenly across the bottom of a 9 by 13-inch baking dish. Next, lay down a single layer of no-boil lasagna noodles. Spoon a generous amount of your vegetable ricotta mixture over the noodles, followed by a sprinkle of mozzarella and Parmesan cheese. Repeat these layers 3 to 4 times, ensuring you finish with a final layer of sauce and a generous topping of cheese for that golden brown crust. Finally, it's time to bake and enjoy your masterpiece. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Cover the baking dish tightly with aluminum foil and bake for 30 minutes. Then, remove the foil and continue baking for another 10 to 15 minutes, or until the cheese is bubbly and golden brown. Allow the lasagna to rest for at least 10 minutes before slicing and serving. This ensures perfect, neat portions. Enjoy your delicious homemade vegetarian lasagna with a fresh green salad.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.